Hello, I'm Arya. It's great to meet you. Welcome to the WEBXR Computer Lab application. Here, you can explore 3D models of computer hardware, try mini quizzes, and test your knowledge in the final test. Follow the material step by step. Each section includes a mini quiz to test your knowledge before unlocking the next one. Once you've finished all the topics, head to the Select Topic menu to take the final test and evaluate your overall understanding. After taking the final test, you can view your learning report in the Learning Report menu to see your achievements and progress. Oh, and don't forget, you can spin the 3D models around by hand to check out all the details. Happy learning and hope you have fun.
A monitor is the computer's display screen that functions as a visual window between the user and the computer system. This device displays all information, images, videos, and program interfaces running on the computer. Without a monitor, we cannot see what the computer is working on. There are several types of monitors based on their technology, such as LD monitors, which are most commonly used today because they are energy efficient and provide good image quality, OLED monitors with high contrast and more vivid colors, and gaming monitors with high refresh rates for smoother gaming experiences. Monitors are also available in various sizes ranging from 15 inches to 32 inches or larger. You have successfully completed all the learning topics. Now it's time to test your knowledge in the final test. flash drive or USB flash drive is a small portable storage device that can